Hey fam, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another quick video, you guys. Today we're gonna make some El Grande potatoes, homemade. Yes, so you can make this recipe easily at home using simple ingredients, just like a little touch of flour. We have our onions. I'm using red onions, purple onions, whatever onion you want. Now, I just put it on that, right? Now, I'm just going to slide my chicken into the oven. But if you're ready for this video, you guys, come on in the kitchen. So, guys, I'm going to slide my chicken into my 350 oven. Just like that. Then I'm going to unfold my glasses, okay? Okay, so we're going to turn our eye on, right? We want a medium heat. And I'm going to put me some butter in here because I got to start making my roux, right? Because that's how you're going to make some roux. Now, I know I was requested to make a cheese sauce by Sister Emma. And yeah, so basically I'm making this cheese sauce as well. Sister Emma, forgive me. But anyway, we're going to melt us some butter down in here right quick. And get it right nice and, could I say nutty, okay? Because we don't want it too brown, but we want it brown. So that's the first step to this. Okay, so we have our butter pretty much melted to where I just want to add my onions. Now I'm going to add my onions in here because I need them to be sauteed. Never mind what I used. But anywho, let's go ahead. Let's switch utensils. I need a plastic. So how's everybody doing? Good, I hope. I hope you guys is doing so well. So we're going to use this utensil and we're going to saute the onions on down. Now, over here in this pot, let me show you. We have our thinly sliced potatoes, guys. Can you see it? Check me out. I said check me out. Check it out, okay? So I slid these by hand because I had so many potatoes that I didn't know what to do with them. So I decided to make scalloped potatoes, right? Homemade scalloped potatoes. This recipe you can enjoy with your family and friends, right? So now I have just enough flour. I got a half a cup, but I know I'm not going to use it all because I just want to make a roux, right? And go ahead and cook this on in. I feel like I need a little more. So what I'm going to do is get me a little more oil. Okay, I have put me a little more oil in there. Just a little. So, I'm just going to stir this until I cook this flour. Right on down. I don't want to get it too brown. Right? Because it's a roux. Now, I don't know why I didn't take my cheese out, but I'm going to use a mixed cheese blend. for these scalloped potatoes, Kobe and Monojack. It's my, whatever, y'all follow me. And Parmesan, okay? That's what kind of cheese I'm going to put in here. So, we're going to spruce up and put our seasoning already in here. So, we got a little seasoning salt, right? We got a little onion powder. Yes, I love onion powder. Because kids don't like it, right? They don't care for it. And we got some garlic salt. And we have some black pepper. Oops, I don't mean to distract y'all. But anywho, we're going to put that black pepper right on in there. Now, many just season as they go. And I'm just going to add my milk. Now, you can use whatever milk you want in your household, 2%, whatever, right? So I'm going to add my milk in here because I need to make a cheese sauce, right? And we're just going to go on here and get in here and make this. Now, I'm sorry if the video looks slightly different. It's only because your girl got the lighting in the house is kind of dark due to the lighting outside. Okay, eclipse lighting outside. It would come in a time like this, right? But anywho, we're gonna go ahead and make us a cheese sauce up right quick. Just like that. I'm gonna add a little more milk, because it all depends on what size of cheese sauce you want. And I need enough cheese sauce to go behind all of these potatoes. Right? Make sure you get as much, well, really get all the lumps out, right? So we're going to add some cheese in here. This is going to be my topping, along with some of this cheese, right? And we're just going to go ahead and get us a cheese sauce made real quick. Now, Sister Emma, this is how I make my cheese, okay? So don't get in this comment area showing out. You guys, that is my good sis. Oh, look at that melt, okay? So it's going to make a good thickening for my scalloped potatoes. I'm going to put another handful of it, just like that. Right. Right. And that is it for that cheese. And we're going to let this cheese sauce do its thing. It doesn't take long. Let me say, thank you all for all my new subscribers and all of my... Look at the cheese sauce. Look at that. Look at the cheese sauce. Okay, so thank you for all of my new subscribers. And if you're not part of the fam, what you waiting on? Hit the bell. Come on over and talk to Miss Jonesy, or you can call me Miss T. Either way it go, I know you're talking to me. Okay, so you guys, that would complete our cheese sauce right there. Just delicious cheese sauce. Now we're gonna go to the next step. Look at the cheese pour. Okay, we're going to go to the next step. Okay, fam, so we have our potatoes right here. You know what? I'm just going to pour them. Pour them just like that. Because it really doesn't matter, right? So, we're going to season these potatoes. We're going to season them with a little black pepper. Just like that. Because it really doesn't matter. We just need a little ways. We're going to put a little salt on them. Right? Because we didn't use salt. Just like that. And we're going to put some cheese sauce. That's going to put some cheese sauce over in them. I know that's a mess, right? But anywho, I'm gonna put the cheese sauce right on over them, just like that. Does it have to be perfect? I'm gonna say no. Okay, because they're gonna get their own thing, right? And we're gonna put another layer of potato. Well, we're gonna put the final layer. Okay. Don't matter. It don't matter. I'm in a rush to do nothing. But this is gonna be some good cheesy potatoes. El Grande, Miss T style, right? We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna flip this. No, let's put our seasoning. We gotta put some more seasoning on this, on our potato, because we want every bite to be all right. Right? Now, we're gonna put our cheese. Just like that. We're gonna get every bit of cheese out of here. Right? And we're gonna put that over in the sink. And we're gonna wooze that just like that. Lay that one over. Just like that. A little cheese sauce over here too. And we're gonna top it with some cheese, some more cheese. Some more cheese. It's just like that. Now this is how I was taught. This is my tradition way of making El Grande potatoes. Or you could say scallop potatoes. Just like that. And this is what you could do with any potato. Especially if you carry potatoes like my daughter do. Okay? Now, that's really more than enough cheese. But I'm going to give it some Parmesan as well. And I'm going to slide it in the oven to golden brown. And I know my potatoes has cooked. So approximately 30 minutes. Just like that. And we're going to put us a little more garlic powder on here. Just like that. And we're going to slide this bad boy in the oven. So guys, there you have it. I have some delicious home-style scallop potatoes. Just like El Grande. Did I say that right? But anyway, let's go to get some potatoes. Let's see what it's looking like. Nice and creamy potatoes. Cheesy. Look at that cheese oozing out. You guys check it out. Check it out. Now, potatoes fork tender. Here go your bite. How was it? Good. Let's go in. Mmm. Nice and tender. Ooh, that potato trying to burn a sister. Share this video with everyone. Let them know what you're is doing on this channel. We're making homemade, delicious food that I grew up on, that my mother taught me, old Southern recipes that you can enjoy with your family. So including, I'm sorry, kids trying to knock y'all over. But anyway, you can enjoy with your family. I also have some baked barbecue chicken. Baked barbecue chicken for dinner. I'm going to add some broccoli or something to this meal. But until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.